Welcome to the NEWSTART kitchen. I am Pilar and today we are going to prepare a Mexican salsa. And this is a quick version of our different kind of salsas that we have in Mexico. But this could be good as a side dish, or you can put it on top of your enfrijoladas, or you can use it just to eat it with some chips. So what we're going to do is we're going to take 2 Roma tomatoes and put them in the blender. I already kind of like chop them up. And then we're gonna take half of an onion. I got red onion here, and a clove of garlic. We're gonna add some cilantro, about 2 stalks of cilantro. And this salsa, I'm making a portion for about 3 people, 3 servings. Okay, and we're gonna add some salt. You can use garlic salt or you can use regular salt. If you use garlic salt, it will give it a little bit of a better taste. So this, we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna pulse it, okay? Why do we wanna pulse it? Because we want our vegetables to kind of like stay in chunks. We don't wanna liquefy our ingredients. So we're gonna do just one quick one. Okay, and that's it. You got an excellent salsa that you can serve with chips. Enjoy!